Oh, is that Daddy? Huh? Do you see Daddy? You gotta get away from the door. Come on. Come on. Come away from the door. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. You can see Daddy in a minute. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. There he is. Can you sit down? Sully. Can you sit down? I know. It's Daddy. I know. He's on the leash. He can't stand himself right now. He's like, I want my daddy. I want my daddy. All right. Easy. Easy.